Guys, this is day 4 of my 111-day challenge, and today is a very special video. Why? Because as you can notice, my sound quality is probably a lot poorer than it usually is, and so is the video quality. That is because I'm using my iPhone, and that too the front-facing camera, and I'm not using my mic. Why am I doing this? Because I want to prove a point to you guys that are listening to this and watching this, that you don't need to have fancy equipment, you don't need to have the right camera, the right circumstance, you just need to get started. And what I did today was I wanted to talk about how not to start a YouTube video, and I prepared these 5 points. So let's get into it. Number 1, how not to start a YouTube video is by comparing yourself to others. By comparing yourself to others in a way that makes you feel not ready. You see, you cannot compare your day 1 to someone's middle. For me, as an example, I've been a public speaker in the past, and I'm very self-critical of myself. Whenever I say or I hesitate, I've been self-critical of myself in the past, but I've noticed that it doesn't help being too polished either, because people relate to authenticity. People relate to realness. There's a lot of fakeness out there. There's a lot of AI. I can do that, and not to, bash somebody that really has like high production value and does editing and preparation and can speak a lot better than I can. But the point being that you don't need to be perfect. Just be yourself. That's one point. The other point, number 2, is why not to start a YouTube channel, or how not to start a YouTube channel is waiting for the right circumstances. By waiting for the right circumstances and making excuses. So my mentors used to tell me that you can either choose excuse or you can choose success. You cannot have both. So I hope you choose success. Take action, just start. Don't look to be perfect. Number 3, waiting for the right equipment, okay? It took me years before I could get a good camera. It took me years before I got the mic that I now have. And I've experimented with different mics, different cameras. The iPhone has improved a lot. I remember looking back, some of the videos that I've done in the past, they're so horrendous. And I'm embarrassed by them. But at the same time, I'm very proud because I can see my progress. So you don't need to be amazing at it. The key is getting it done and improving every time you do it. Even if it's just an incremental improvement, it's okay, it's great. You're making progress, you are succeeding. Point number 4, how not to start a YouTube channel. Overthinking your niche. Spending too much time trying to find the perfect niche can paralyze you from starting. You'll have what my mentors would call paralysis by analysis. So don't let that happen to you. Don't let your time, your dreams slip away. We all have 24 hours in a day. You're gonna spend your time anyways. So just press record and make that video. Today was our moving day. We started at like 6 in the morning. We picked up our U-Haul truck at 11. We finally finished with the truck by 11 p.m. after doing 3 runs. And I have to tell you, I've changed 2 t-shirts today, and I was just drenched in them both times. I still haven't showered, I haven't shaved, but it doesn't matter. The key is that you show up. I feel like, you can wait for the perfect moment, but I made a commitment that I'm going to be posting every day. So for that reason, that commitment to me is greater than my fear of how I may look or trying to get it perfect and not getting it done at all. Reason number 5, how not to start a YouTube channel. Fearing negative feedback. Allowing the fear of criticism to prevent you from posting content. Don't let this happen to you. Constructive criticism is a tool for growth. Embrace feedback and learn from it. And oftentimes the feedback is coming from our own monkey mind, and many times it's not positive. It's going to say, hey, you don't speak well enough, or you no one's watching your videos, you don't have enough viewers. But all of that at the end of the day doesn't matter, because you're practicing. That's the whole point. Your first 5, 10, 50, 100 videos may not get a lot of traction, and that's okay, because you're practicing it. As long as you're getting better every time, you're doing great. And in conclusion, I want to say done is better than perfect. It's important to just start and improve along the way. And if I've missed anything, please let me know in the comments below. And hopefully this wasn't too harsh, but I just wanted to get this out there. First, as a reminder to myself, and secondly, as a reminder to my friends that are also working on this challenge of getting their YouTube channel off the ground. I hope this helps. Let me know what else you would like to hear. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.